Kedam tang phai kuni ni phai cricket homer ni Meghalaya State Ribhoi District Mawlasnai Pathu Aklamalong E.K.Mawlong Memorial Trophy 2023 Football Knockout ke Pathu Pangcheng pon Bangso ke Pathu ke Pangcheng ni Karbianglong Hills United FC pen Meghalaya Nongston Khile Mole FC Angbongsi Pathu ponlo Labangso football tournament along aluhi sarpoman pen MAC Avijit Kro kachetong don along Anthony Khiriem Jumesen Alonjir Pajupon Lapenan Pada Wansia Fusion hin pesadami kikan paklang pon Kipathu kang pupon ji aphan kachetong don aluhi sarpo MAC Avijit Kro hin pen meeting tom kaipon si Kipathu ing pupon Kipathu bom aporahu United FC Lapen Khile Maule FC atum hin ka kithek kachedai koya jok kecheng angkung hut bolipum ta chethap unlang vedetlo bonta ke pathu bang kirem ke hai dovek nang ji apotsi penalty patu ponsi Khile Maule aphan Hills United FC Karbianglong atum bolpum thom thapsi chepahai ponlo
So agane ka nimat dan bertempna syafi ya the man of the match award benda jamin seberang aku ni kita Muhammad ya the man of the match. So I request both the teams to listen for the announcement of the man of the match. So man of the match goes to Hills United FC, jersey number 7, Vincent Rompi.
The match was between Hills United versus Klimuli Youth Club from the Longstoin. Klimuli Youth Club from Longstoin. Our chief guest of today was MAC Mr. Avijit Kro from West Karbianglong District. So we, as the organizers, we thank both the team. Actually, there was one winner, one loser, but we thank them both for participating in this tournament. Actually, today it was the first game, and the game it was fantastic. They fought hard, both the team fought well. At the end, but Hills United won the match. So thank you from the organization side. We thank the Hills United Mr. Ajit Pro and his team from bringing this Hills United all the way from Karbianglong.
Chin Thong pen Hemari Dongpar Karbianglong Live